Everyone wants to save money on their cable bill, but be on alert. Scammers are posing as employees of your cable or satellite company to get information.
Consumer reporter John Mattery shows us how to spot a scam so you don't waste your money.
Tim Hoff loves growing flowers. But lately, these quiet moments keep getting interrupted by phone calls.
Oh, here we go.
About his TV bill.
And one day it'll be Spectrum, the next day it might be DirecTV.
He says the callers promise to lower his bill if he just gives them some information.
We're offering a reduction on your TV if you get cable, for instance. So you might buy into that because if you have cable, you want to get lower rates, and so you'll give them your information.
More and more people these days are getting calls from someone claiming to be with their cable or satellite company. They may offer you a discount or say you're behind on your bill and are about to be disconnected.
And this is not new to our industry, or any industry for that matter, that deals with this kind of routine payments that we do.
Mike Peddlety is a spokesperson for Spectrum. He says if you're hearing about a problem with your account for the first time over the phone, it's probably a scam call. Also,
if you think you're caught up and all of a sudden you get this call, that's a red flag. We won't be calling, and we certainly are not harassing.
And be on alert for strange payment requests, such as buying and giving them gift card numbers, according to cybersecurity expert and podcast host Adam Levin.
It's the same thing as cash, and people have to understand that. There's really no way to track it, and there's no way to recall it.
Get a strange call, hang up, and call the customer service number on your bill. When Tim Hoff does that,
And they say that's not us, that's a scam call.
he wants you to know that too, so you don't waste your money. I'm John Mattery.